Hello tiny tots, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and you are eating healthy food at your home. Very nice. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids for the Cap. In today's class, I will tell you how you can make small and capital cursive U. Let's start our class. Okay, so quickly grab your pencils everyone. We will be going to make first small cursive U. Start from here, go up, down, up and down. Now this is capital cursive U. Come down, up, come down and out. Okay. U as in umbrella. Umbrella starts from letter U. U as in unicorn, utensils and uniform that you wear to your school. When you go to school, you wear your school's uniform. Okay. Let's start this. Join these dotted lines. Very good. Now, without dotted lines. See, it's very easy. Now, capital cursive U. Just have to join these dots. Now, without joining dots. Like this. Alright. Now, the next page is color the unicorn beautifully. You have to color in this unicorn. How you will color this? That's of your choice. Okay. You can color in this as per your choice. That's your homework. You will color it and you will do it very neatly and tidy. That's it for today's class. I hope you have understood how to make capital and small cursive U. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye everyone. Take care. Happy learning.